Hello my beauties, welcome again back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can lighten, get rid of those dark looking lips of yours. So in case you have natural dark lips, you just want to brighten it, this remedy is just for you. In case you have lost your natural lip color, like you want to get back your pink looking lips, this remedy is just for you. So in case you are new, you have not subscribed, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. So this remedy works very well. The ingredients are very easy. You can get it at home, very natural. So you want to know the ingredients, you want to know how to apply it, you want to know how to use it for effective result, just keep watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and also share this video to everyone. So let's just go straight and show you how you can lighten and get rid of those dark looking lips of yours. To lighten a dark lips and make it look so supple and very soft, the first ingredient you have to get is sugar. So you can make use of a white sugar, you can make use of a brown sugar, whichever one you have at home. So one thing you should know is that brown sugar is very mild. Yes, very mild on the skin, especially your lip skin. So the white sugar is not so mild, okay, and it's not bad anyway. So for those that have sensitive skin, you don't need to make use of a white sugar. You can just go ahead and get a brown sugar. So white or brown sugar helps to exfoliate dead cells from the outer lips and hydrates the lip skin. It gives it a shiny and a clear look, lightens and diminishes scars in case you have scars, and removes dark spots also. So this is just very important. So we're going to be making a scrub and we're going to be making a cream. So you just have to continue watching. So what we're going to do is to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Next ingredient you have to use is coconut oil. So you can equally make use of olive oil. In case you have any of them, just make use of it. Olive oil or coconut oil is very moisturizing. It gets rid of a chapped lips. It helps in maintaining the natural pinkish color of the lips. If you have red lips, it will help to maintain it and keep that color intact. If you have pink lips, it will just naturally help to maintain it, okay? So this will as well help to, brighten your lips gently, but it works. Very soothing. We help to make your lips to get soft, okay? So I'll be adding just enough quantity of coconut oil to form a thick paste, okay? So this is it. This is the scrub we are going to use. So I'm going to show you how to use this on your lip skin. So the next thing to do now is to make a cream to apply after making use of the scrub. And you have to get turmeric powder, okay? Turmeric helps to restore your natural glow, the natural color of your lips, treats uneven skin tone. It contains natural bleaching agents which helps to get rid of hyperpigmentation, lightens dark spots naturally. So this is just so very important to add into this remedy. To make this cream, or you can call it a lip mask, you have to use 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, so here is 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder. And you have to get almond oil, pure almond oil or sweet almond oil, all the same. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E, which helps to lighten dark lips, dark spots, unify an uneven skin tone, which ensures you have a clear and a bright lip skin. Also helps to protect your lips from environmental damage So the antioxidant is just very important to fight free radicals that makes your lips to get dark. Okay, so this we are going to add 4 spoons of almond oil. This quantity is just enough. So remember to use 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 4 tablespoons of almond oil. If you do not have almond oil, you just be free to make use of castor oil, or you make use of olive oil. So here we are. Here is our lip scrub, and here is our cream to apply after making use of a scrub. So these two are very important and they work together. So in case you just want to get rid of dead skin cells, the dead cells on your lips that makes your lips to look so rough, so dry, and so hard, you have to make use of this to scrub it off, to make your lips to get soft and also brighten it a little bit. But if you want to go beyond lightening a little bit, you just, after making use of this, you just apply this also. Okay, so remember to make use of a brown sugar, because as I said earlier, it's very mild on a sensitive skin. So for me, I make use of any sugar. I make use of white or brown sugar. It's just okay. But in case you want to scrub, just be gentle on your lips. Do not scrub it so hard. This, you should apply a little of it on your lips and scrub, scrub only your lips, the upper lips and the down parts of your lips. Scrub it round, add another, continue scrubbing and scrub for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you wash it off, then you apply some amount of this. Okay, just apply some of this on your lips. Apply it and leave it on for 20 minutes or 30 minutes on your lips. This will help to lighten it so well. So you have to be making use of these two every day. Once daily is just okay. So that is how to lighten your dark lips and make your lips get soft and look pinkish and so tempting. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. In case you have not subscribed yet to my channel, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell as well so you get notified when I upload videos. I'll see you in my next video.